Here is a tour of an ocean view cabin on the Margaritaville at Sea Paradise. Here is a tour of an ocean view cabin on the Margaritaville at Sea Paradise. All right, first of all, this is your deck plan. Deck 9 it says on here, but this isn't really where we are. We are on deck 6, a little bit forward, so we're right about there. Alrighty, right there. And then this is the bow of the ship. All right, so the first thing you come to here is your closets. Okay, your old type thermostat here. You like it cold. And then you got closets. Your main light switches are here. Your bathroom there. And you got some drawers here. It's only a storage place, actually. And you can tell this is an older ship. And you got a shelf up top. And comes with free luggage. Just kidding about the luggage. Now, here's one thing that I do like about this, believe it or not, is this bathroom door actually slides open. Okay, so it's like a pocket door. Not any real shelves in here at all. You got a little place down there to maybe store something. It's just an open bin. I'll show you. Got a little trash can in there. And then you have a toilet seat that's just made for people that eat a lot of buffet. And then you got the old nasty shower curtains. Not that their shower curtains nasty, but I just don't like shower curtains, but you already do that. All right, we got more drawers. We got a little storage space here. And then you have your little fridge. It's a little cool. You can feel the heat coming out of it like it's on, but you can't really tell if there's anything coming out of it. And then you have your safe. It's the old card. And you got my code. I don't fit nothing else, but it's good. All right, so we're not going into the Gulf of Mexico, just so you know. You have your little bar here with water. Probably will charge you big time for that. That's one thing about this ship, is that it's going to nickel and dime you. Now, I thought those were closets when I first came in. That is a bed that actually folds down, makes into another bed. Got your little nightstand. Now, one of the things is, a lot of people, I saw somebody else do a review and they thought that was the only USB port and the only outlet, which is a European outlet. But if you look down here, there's your 110 outlet, and then another 220, which you're not going to use that for anything that you bring. And your lights, naturally, pretty good sized TV, nothing but a breeze. And then your bed, which looks pretty comfy. Now, another thing you can do, since there's no, you can actually use, for Terry, she can use the USB here on the side of the phone. I've told you that before on a couple of cruises. You can find those on the phones. And then over here, you have one USB port over here as well. So, a lot of people said there's no USB ports, but there actually is quite a few. And then if you have a box like that we're going to bring, you'll be able to plug that in. Now here's an overall view. Again, this is an ocean view room on deck 6. Not bad, not bad. Seems to be pretty quiet here. And that's pretty much it.